Okay, here we are back on site. This project is complete. 20 by 20 porcelain install with some molding. We had to remove the washer and dryer, and of course those valves leaked, so we replaced those. We had 2 layers of plywood here. First layer was 1/2 inch. First layer is 3/4 inch tongue and groove plywood, and second was 1/2 inch underlayment. So we removed the 1/2 inch plywood down to the 3/4 subfloor. Screed out everything as far as we can get it. Then we installed Sludaditra and installed these 20 by 20s. Everything is keyed into the substrate, notched out on the substrate, and also keyed into the back of the tile. So we have a 100% bond. We're able to reuse this threshold here, screwed and glued. Like I said, everything is keyed in. So we have a 100% bond with this floor. This floor shall last for years and years. Client supply that would pay F8 grout. I believe the color is mocha. We installed 5 1/4 base. We caulked the perimeter and wood filled the nail holes. So it's pretty much ready for the painter. We put all the doors back in. We had to remove these pocket doors, and we actually had to screw into the tile to remount them. Put back all the doors into the rooms here. Basement door. That's it. Nice clean cut. Nice clean cut around the stairs. Won't have to put any molding there at all. Nice and clean along that edge. No gaps. Nice and tight. So that's where we're at. Installed a new toilet. We use clear silicone around on the base. There's a nice clean finish there. And that's it. So thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned for some future projects, and if you have any questions regarding this project or your project you'd like to get done, either give us a call or send us a message. Thanks for tuning in.